Okay, the short piece of film, 47 Dodge Coupe. Just got it ready, it's running, it stops, it's ready for the road just about. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. How about that? There you go. It's all